Do you like taking photos? How would you like to make money from those photos? That's what Clickasnap is all about. Is Clickasnap legit, or is it a cool way to make money from your photos? It sounds pretty easy. Upload photos and boom, you make some money. But there are some drawbacks to using the Clickasnap website, and I'm going to discuss it with you in this review. My name is Rupesh and welcome to this channel, Passive Income for All. It's all about helping you to find the best ways to make your money online, so feel free to check out my #1 recommendation by clicking on a link that is in the video description. At the official Clickasnap.com website, it pays to share. At Clickasnap, we provide the best online photo sharing platform to help you share your images and get paid for it. Get started, how it works, sign up and get paid for your content. And that's basically the homepage of Clickasnap.com. What exactly is Clickasnap all about? It's a photo sharing community, and the platform allows its members to share their photos and earn from them. By the way, this article is on my website rupeshgovind.com. This is where I write all my make money online product reviews, so feel free to check it out. According to the official Clickasnap website, it's a one place where people can share, manage and monetize their art. Now, why is Clickasnap different from other stock image sites? I learned that Clickasnap has this philosophy where they want to be different from other photo sharing sites because they believe other sites are capitalizing on a photographer's work. They're giving them the raw deal while they take the lion's share. As a Clickasnap member, photographers actually have more control over their photos. They can sell their photos as downloads, as physical prints, and even earn per view, and even have full licensing over the asset. The mission of the company is to become the world's largest still image company. Unlike other stock image sites, Clickasnap encourages members to engage with one another, sharing the photos and improving the photo views of everyone involved by helping them all make money, and at the same time the company grows. Is it easy to sign up to Clickasnap? Yep. All you need is you just need your email address and you need to create a secure password and you're good to go. But remember, later on you need to make sure you got a PayPal account so that they can pay your commissions into your PayPal. The other thing is that Clickasnap is a worldwide opportunity, so anyone from anywhere in the world can join, and you can use your normal email address or you can use your Google, your Facebook, or even your Twitter credentials to create an account with Clickasnap. But the big question is it free to join Clickasnap? They do have a free membership, but they also have some paid memberships. Let me show you that next. So as I mentioned, they do have a free membership option, but the features on this option are very minimal, and you get paid the lowest photo viewing fee. That's actually the main way you can make money with Clickasnap, is when somebody views your photo, then you get paid. Now on the free plan, you only get paid about 0.1 cents per image. You're allowed 20 uploads per day, but then there are 3 additional paid membership plans that you can choose from. The upload plan, which is £3 per month, the seller plan, £5 per month, and the pro plan, which is £7 per month. They also have a yearly option, and then you can get these plans at a much more better discount. The yearly discounted fees, for example, the upload, you get it's cost $20 annually, and you can earn £1.6 per month. Sorry, it costs £1.6 per month, and you can earn 0.7 cents per view. On the seller, it's $40 annually, and that works out to 0.8 cents per view. And then on the pro, it's $60 annually. So how much money really can you make on Clickasnap? How much can you really make with Clickasnap? That depends on 2 things. The first thing, it depends on the plan that you are on, and the second thing, it depends on how active you are with building a following. So you know from the free plan that you're not going to make much money at all. So if you talk about the seller and the pro plan, this can increase the chances of you getting more photo views. You also have reselling rights, which means that you can even make money in this way. Your photos will also be placed on the first page of the marketplace, and this can improve the chances of your photo getting more views and ultimately making more money. The second way you can make more money is by increasing your following. So in other words, be more interactive with the other members within the community, participate in forums, and get other members to share your images as well, and in this way you can make more money. But one thing that is for certain, the amount you can earn will vary from one person to another depending on how they build their following. And the other thing is that if you're going to be earning only 0.009 cents per view, that means in order to reach the $15 payment threshold, your photo has to get at least 1,666 views. And that means that your photo has to do a lot of work. And they also have some criteria where they don't just accept any photo. And I'm going to show you that next. Okay, so we are back here now at my website, rupeshgovan.com. To earn views and money with your photo needs to meet certain requirements as set out by Clickasnap. They must be viewed at least 5 seconds long, minimum of 5 seconds. The image must be in focus. The image must be created organically and not by bots. And the view must be a result of must not be a result of click circles. That means 2 or more individuals viewing one another's image with a specific intent of creating paid views to ensure mutual returns rather than viewing images based on the merit value. This is all what I took from the terms and conditions. Now I want to just take a moment now to show you, are people really happy with using the Clickasnap website? And this is where we are at a third-party review website called Trustpilot. And as you can see, they scored a 3.4, which is a pretty decent rating out of 5 stars. 66% of it were 5-star rating. Now, some of the common complaints that people have is that, first of all, they weren't received the payments in time. They had a poor user experience of the site. Certain members who have left the official site found that their photos were still on the website. But there's one thing that was quite interesting is that if you look at it, Clickasnap even took the time to reply to some of these negative queries, which in my books is a thumbs up. Let's now take a look at some of the pros and cons of Clickasnap. The pros, of course, is that it's a worldwide opportunity. They accept PayPal, and there's there's a company interaction when it comes to negative complaints. Now let's look at some of the negative parts of Clickasnap. Is that, of course, you have to pay in order to earn by joining one of those memberships. They have very low pay-per-views. You have to work really hard for your photo to get the views. They have very strict terms and conditions when it comes to certain photos being uploaded, and of course there's no social media details available on their website. Okay, so now we come to the end of the video. Is Clickasnap legit or is it a scam? In my opinion, it is not a scam. It is a platform where people can earn from sharing their photos. The support team is responsive, and they have fairly good ratings on third-party review sites. But the question is it a right business opportunity for you? It's quite evident that you need a lot of time to become successful with earning money from your photos being shared. You need time to build that following, and the greater following that you have, possibly more views you can get, and eventually more money you can make. I like the fact that they have the opportunity of you earning a passive income from your photo shares. However, it's not a platform where you can build a lucrative passive income business where you can earn an income to possibly leave your job or spend money on a vacation. The bottom line, it's a legit platform for people who love photography and who have the patience to build that following to get more views. It's also okay for people who are looking to earn a few dollars on the side, but not for somebody who is looking to build a sustainable business. So that concludes my review of Clickasnap. I hope that it has helped you out. It's given you a clearer picture of what it's all about. And before I leave you, if you are really looking at building a sustainable online business, if you want to learn on how you can earn a passive income online, then feel free to check out my #1 recommendation. Just click on the link that's in the video description to learn about the training platform that has helped me and it can help you as well. Before I leave you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you found this video helpful, please share it with your family and friends so it can help them as well. I'm looking forward to checking out in my next video and wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.